Innovation, Uncertainty, Management. Podcast 1, Better Than Digital Logic. This podcast series introduces a unique set of tools I created to help manage the uncertainty associated with early-stage innovation management and other related applications. I start by defining six-state logic, which is an uncertainty-aware idea evaluation system that improves on the performance of more common digital logic-based evaluation systems. When we think of digital logic, a 1 representing the positive state and a 0 representing the negative state comes to mind. Six-state logic enhances digital logic by adding a third uncertain state. The immediate effect of adding the uncertain state is to more clearly define new six-state logic known positive and known negative states in contrast to the uncertain state. Consider using six-state logic to answer the question, tell me if Detroit is a fun town. A digital yes or no answer hides any uncertainty the answerer may or may not feel about Detroit behind a simple yes or no answer. Adding the six-state logic uncertain state enables more meaningful responses like, yes, Detroit is fun and I know why. No, Detroit is not fun and I know why. Or I don't know if Detroit is fun or not. Now let's introduce the 3 remaining six-state logic states located between the 3 extreme states. First is mixed, which combines known positive and known negative states. Next is seems positive, which combines known positive and uncertain states. And last is seems negative, which combines known negative and uncertain states. Imagine the states as a triangle with known positive, known negative, and uncertain labeled corners, and seems positive, seems negative, and mixed labeled lines between the corners. The last element of six-state logic is a text justification for the selection of any of the 6 states. The focus of the justification depends on the selected state. For example, known negative requires a certain and negative explanation, while seems positive requires an explanation that combines known positive and uncertain components. Using six-state logic is as easy as asking a positive or negative format question like, does this idea fit our strategy? And asking participants to select and justify one of the 6 states as an answer. The reasons provided for selections can be very informative, especially in the case where alternative justifications exist for the same state selection. Six-state logic is a unique format of the uncertainty measurement principles well known to disciplines like Bayesian statistics, market research, and control theory. This podcast introduced six-state logic as an improved method to answer yes or no format questions. The next podcast compares six-state logic to the type of detailed multiple choice answers commonly seen in professional surveys. Innovation, Uncertainty, Management.